Hello everyone, welcome to my channel GabrielesMist. I am Rosemary, also known as vivikarrina. Please subscribe, comment and subscribe and rate. Please rate. Thank you. If you are not subscribed already, but if you are, thank you for your support. Thank you for being here. And if you're subscribed to my channel, I will subscribe to yours. That's easy. Okay, so sorry about that. Okay, I got this from Simply Love Soaps. She has a store in Etsy. Her name is Denise, Deborah Denise, and she also have a YouTube channel. I will be posting those links on the description box below. She sent me this package. I made a purchase on her website. She have free shipping. You should go and check her website and take advantage of that, because that is good. Free shipping is always good. So she packed very well her package, obviously. So I will take care. I will be careful with this, because sometimes I am yeah, I am me. Okay. Wow. Smelling already. Oh, so cute. Oh, so cute. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Simply Love Soaps, artisan soaps and more. This is great. Very creative. Okay. Careful, because I will save the soaps inside this very own box. I will not throw the box away. I am a crafter also, so yes, that happened. Crafty holder. Don't be scared. Don't want to break the box. Yay! Oh my goodness, this is perfection. Look at that. The invoice, not invoice. Okay, I purchased from her 2 soaps, and here is her business card. Okay. I will be posting picture of it. Let me read 1 second, please. Oh, thank you. Okay, guys, you should go and check her website for real. She's doing very beautiful stuff. This is her new logo. She's packaging very well, as you can see. Everything very neat. Her card and her colors. I will not rip that away, so very carefully. I don't want to rip it. Okay, here I have a discount code. Thank you. Thank you. This paper is very beautiful. Wow. Christmassy. Very Christmassy. Okay, these are the soaps that I ordered. This is mahogany teak wood. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at this, this is beautiful. Those words are gorgeous and smell awesome. Oh my god. I love it. It looks very clean and clean and creamy. See the bubble? The bubble. It's very beautiful. Here is the label. Very informative. The ingredients and also the instruction for this soap on her website. Not sure if it can be seen there, but I will put the link below. This one, I love the colors. Oh my god, I love the colors. Look at that. These are the colors for GabrielesMist, and I love them. I just love them. I change colors I change the colors of my company, of my business, to black, pink, white, gold. So those are the 4 colors. Gold is an accent color, and black and pink and white are the principal colors of my business, and I love them. I just love them. Oh my god, it smells great. Liking it, girl. I'm liking it. .60 ounces. Oh, I can't stop watching it. So beautiful. So beautiful. She also sent me some samples she's working on. I will enjoy them, that's for sure. Thank you so much. Oh, I'm in love with this. Okay, this flower, this rose, is Pretty Pink Salt Bar. Pretty Pink Salt Soap. Oh my god. And it's a pretty pink salt soap. This will be awesome from this time of the year. This is awesome. I will be using this one. I have so many soaps, but people, I will tell you the truth. I take a shower like 3 to 4 times a day. I don't know why, because I'm like that. Sometimes, okay, 2 times a day, but when I feel like very hot because I have high blood pressure and I feel the need to take a shower, I just do it. I just do it. Maybe it's not healthy, but I am like that. I am like that. So I take a shower maybe 2 to 3, 4 times a day. Sometimes in the summertime I take 4 times. 4 times. Am I crazy? Who cares? I love it. Oh my god, I love this. I so love this. Look, she put a psalm in here in her label. Be still and know I am God. Psalm 46:10. And that is awesome. Oh my God, that is a blessing. Her new logo. Okay, this is a soy wax. I will be trying this today for sure. I love wax melts. I love them. I just love them. I have a wax melt in every room, so I'm hooked to it. Okay, and I will be opening this one because I'm in love with it. Call me crazy, but I am. And I'm proud of it. I am proud of it. Oh, smell awesome. Love it. And this one is, which one? Let me see. Spell Bomb. Oh my God, smell awesome. This one is Forever Red. Let's see. Let me open this one. Let me open it. I like these containers. Very nice to send wax samples. Very nice. Great idea. And I love her logo. Oh my goodness. Guys, this smells awesome. Forever Red. This smells awesome. Okay. That one, and this is, what is this? A Solved. Solve. Black drawing salt. 1 ounce. Then again, you should go and check her website. She has free shipping, and that is awesome. Shipping is so high these days. This is a 1 ounce tin. Look at that. That color is beautiful. I'm in love with black. Smell good. This is a black drawing solvent. I'm not sure for what it is, but I will be using this. It said it had comfrey, calendula, infused oils of olive, castor, coconut, big wax, kaolin clay, honey, vitamin E, essential oils, Germa Plus, and it's for external use only. So I will be using this ASAP soon, as soon as I know what is the benefits of this solvent and what is the best way of using it. And last but not least, let me check. Look at this so well. This is so beautiful. This is the calendula and kaolin clay soothing solvent. This one, yes, I know for what it is, and I will be using this one ASAP because my hands are really dry. My skin is very dry in this time of the year. So this is coming at a great time for me. Thank you very much, Denise. This is awesome. And you package really well. I love the soaps. They are beautiful and they smell awesome. Oh my God. very natural, very clean. You can see this is 1 ounce and it's big. I like it. Her logo is beautiful. And this soap, I love it. And this soap is gorgeous. And this salt soap, I will be trying it very soon. This wax melt, I am in love with them. They smell great. And I will be using this today. Thank you very much, Denise from Simply Loved Soaps. Please go visit her. This is gorgeous. I will be taking pictures now and posting them. And please go visit her before she runs out, because free shipping is always good. Thank you so much for watching my videos, for being here, for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much again. Blessings, and have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful rest of the week. Bye bye. Love you all.